When we talk about space exploration, the names that often come to mind are NASA, Russia, or perhaps the private ventures of visionaries like Elon Musk. These giants have dominated the headlines, launching rockets, landing rovers on distant planets, and dreaming of colonies on Mars. But the story of humanity's journey to the stars is not just written by the world's superpowers. It is a story that belongs to all of us, and Vietnam is writing its own inspiring chapter. Did you know that Vietnam has already launched its own satellites into space and is preparing for a much bigger cosmic future? Today, let's embark on a journey from the lush rice fields of Vietnam to the boundless expanse of the universe and discover how this nation is carving out its place in the space age. The first steps are always the hardest, but they are also the most meaningful. For Vietnam, the journey to the stars began in 2008 with a moment that would forever change its trajectory. That year, the country successfully launched VNREDSat-1, its very first communications satellite. As the rocket soared into the sky, carrying not just metal and electronics, but the hopes of a nation, Vietnam officially entered the global space race. This was more than a technological achievement. It was a statement of ambition and a symbol of the country's determination to join the ranks of spacefaring nations. But the story didn't end there. Building on the success of VNREDSat-1, Vietnam continued to push forward. In 2013, the nation launched VNREDSat-1, a satellite dedicated to Earth observation and environmental research. With this new eye in the sky, Vietnam gained the ability to monitor its forests, track natural disasters, and gather crucial scientific data about its land and waters. These satellites are not just symbols of progress, they are essential tools for national development. They help improve weather forecasting, assist in disaster management, and support scientific research that benefits every Vietnamese citizen. Behind every satellite, every mission, and every technological milestone, there are people, dedicated scientists, engineers, and dreamers who make the impossible possible. Vietnamese scientists, working both at home and abroad, are playing a vital role in shaping the country's space future. In laboratories and research centers across the nation, teams of talented individuals are designing satellites, developing advanced computer models, and contributing to the fields of astrophysics and aerospace engineering. Their expertise and passion are helping Vietnam keep pace with the rapidly evolving world of space technology. The story of Vietnamese space exploration is also one of collaboration. With growing support from international partners, Vietnam's space programs are gaining momentum. Partnerships with countries like Japan, France, and the United States have opened doors to new technologies, training opportunities, and joint research projects. These collaborations are not only accelerating Vietnam's technical capabilities, but also fostering a spirit of global cooperation, reminding us that space exploration is a pursuit that transcends borders and unites humanity. But Vietnam's ambitions do not stop at launching satellites. The vision for the future is bold and inspiring. The nation is already planning to expand its space program in remarkable ways. There are dreams of launching satellites from Vietnamese soil, reducing dependence on foreign launch sites, and building a foundation for greater independence in space. Plans are underway to construct national space centers, state-of-the-art facilities where research, innovation, and education can flourish. These centers will serve as hubs for training the next generation of Vietnamese scientists, engineers, and leaders in the field of space exploration. And the dreams do not end there. Vietnam is looking beyond its own borders, aiming to contribute to Asian space missions and regional collaborations. Imagine a future where Vietnamese-built satellites orbit alongside those from Japan, South Korea, and India, working together to monitor the environment, improve communication, and even explore the Moon or Mars. While Vietnam may not yet have sent an astronaut into space, the foundation is being built. One satellite, one student, and one dream at a time. Why does any of this matter? Why should a nation invest in space exploration when there are so many challenges here on Earth? The answer lies in the profound impact that space technology has on our daily lives. Space is not just about rockets and distant planets. It is about education, the environment, innovation, and national independence. Satellites help farmers monitor crops and manage resources more efficiently. They enable scientists to study climate change and protect natural habitats. They connect people across vast distances, bringing communities closer together and opening new opportunities for business and education. For Vietnam, the journey into space is a new frontier of progress and pride. It is a testament to the country's resilience, creativity, and determination to shape its own destiny. By investing in space, Vietnam is not only advancing its scientific and technological capabilities, but also inspiring a new generation of innovators and explorers. It is about building a future where Vietnamese voices are heard among the stars, where Vietnamese talent contributes to the great adventure of humanity. From the rice fields to the stars, Vietnam's journey into space is only just beginning. The path ahead is filled with challenges, but also with limitless possibilities. Every satellite launched, every student inspired, and every dream pursued brings the nation one step closer to the cosmos. Space belongs to all of us, and Vietnam is proving that even the sky is not the limit. If you believe in this vision, if you share the dream of a future where Vietnam reaches for the stars, know that you are part of this journey. As we look to tomorrow, we invite you to join us in exploring one of humanity's greatest achievements, the International Space Station. Together, let's celebrate the spirit of discovery, the power of science, and the boundless potential that awaits us beyond the horizon. Space belongs to all of us. And for Vietnam, the stars are only the beginning.